Amaphil believes that we should focus more on the big picture.
We should look for a greater purpose as our greater purpose
brings greater fulfillment.
We all know that Christmas is for everyone.
Not only for the rich, but also for the poor.
Not only for the healthy,
But also for the sick.
Not only for the kids, but also for the oldies.
Kaya naman this holiday season,
We at Amaphil
desired to extend our blessing to the marginalized Filipinos in Metro Manila.
As we have discerned that like these people,
Amaphil continues to conquer its fear, endure the pains,
And continuously hope
Paulit-ulit ang
kasi
kahapon,
may lutuan pa yan.
binaon tayo sa hamon.
At least na lang.
Thank you, ate!
sinusubok ng panahon.
Sa mundong maingay, ikaw ang aking pahinga. Sa yakap mo kumakalma, lahat ay nagiging payapa. Lagi akong uuwi sa'yo,
Sa puso mo,
kung saan laging Pasko.
Uy, saan ka punta?
Dito.
Yan ang lagi mong dala. Sa pamilya mo, tunay na Pasko. Family is love. Family is love. So we just love, love, love. Just love, love, love. Family is love. Family is love. Just love. Ang pamilya ay bunga. Ano ba yun?
Christmas!
Ibalik sa kanya mahal ang isa't isang ating lakas. Ang isa't isang ating lakas. Kahit anong pagod man, kahit anong pagod pa, sa ngiti mo'y may himala. May panibagong umaga. Lagi akong uuwi sa'yo. Sa puso mo, kung saan laging Pasko. Sa pamilya mo, tunay na Pasko. Family is love. Family is love. So we just love, love, love. Just love, love, love. Family is love. Family is love. Just love. Ibig. Just love. Just love. Pamilya. Family is love.
Wala mang katiyakan sa ating mundo.
Ang di magbabago, isang pamilya tayo. Pag-ibig, mapasaan saya.